Okay, welcome to your September-October 2013 market update. My name's Claudio Cuomo, and you probably noticed today I'm standing up. It's plain and simply because the market is up and about, and I definitely want you to feel the vibe of that. Let's jump into and start to have a look at some of the key statistics out there at the moment. What's happened over the winter months? Across the capital cities, we've seen 4% growth. That has been above and beyond one of the strongest performances through the winter markets of the last decade. Since the markets turned back in June 2012, we've seen a 7% rise. Very strong, clear indicators that the market is in now a growth and recovery phase. Moving on from there, two very important indicators showing that the markets are now turning from what was a buyer's to more of a stable and into a seller's market are stock levels and stock levels and average days on market. Average days on markets have dropped 1/3, not a few percent, 1/3, and stock levels have come down 16.3%. What does that mean? Much tighter market for buyers. Properties are selling quicker, they're selling in less time, buyers have less to choose from. What generally happens in this sort of climate is buyers have to make concessions. Instead of buying a 3-bedroom, they need to buy a 2-bedroom house or next suburb down. So I really strongly urge you, get your dream property, that perfect investment while you still can. Auction clearance rates. Let's look at the two most active markets, Sydney and Melbourne. In Sydney, they've been above 80% this year, and Melbourne between 70 and 75%. The strongest that we've seen in years, ladies and gentlemen. So two very key, clear health check indicators of the marketplace. What can we expect with interest rates? Well, in a quick summary, we can possibly expect one further rate cut towards the latter part of this year or early next. I think that'll be the end of the cycle, and then they'll start to move back up. So buy that great property you're looking for and lock in a fantastic interest rate. One last point I wanted to finish on, the signs are clear. If you've been waiting for the market to turn, drop further, dust off those cobwebs, buy a Herald Sun, flick on the news, the signs are clear, the market's turned. So do take clear advantage of that if you can. Well, that's just a bit about it and all from myself, this update. Bit of a tongue twister there. Wish you guys all the best for the spring market coming ahead. You're going to find some great stock out there coming on. For any questions at all, feel free to call myself, Claudio Cuomo, at Stockton and Lego anytime, or visit my site, claudiocuomo.com.au. Thanks again and all the best.